To have a clear idea as to where exactly you need to improve and also to assess your journey of transformation, you need to do a fun activity. It will act as a mirror to you to understand why and where exactly you should work on yourself. This is a self-help course, remember that. I don't want you to waste time in dilemma as to where to start, what should be your concentration point and all. You should hit on directly where you need to improve. Following the activity step by step is very important, or you will miss the minute details which I'll be sharing in the following elements. So the first point is, take any topic of your concern. You can take any topic. For example, your garden, your childhood, your dream, your passion, someone you met the other day, any special event, any special person, any topic. Now, the second step is you have to create a content around the topic about which you have to speak for about a minute or two. Try to remember your content. Do not read from the paper which you have written. Take care of that. Now, next is take your mobile or any other gadget and record your talk without looking or reading from the paper in a way as if you are facing a large audience. Now, once you have recorded, you have to go through your video in 3 different ways. And please remember these 3 different ways because you will be doing this activity many times, maybe 3 times in this course. Now, the first way to look at the video or your recording will be the audio mode. Now, what's the audio mode? That is, first close your eyes and hear yourself. You have to hear the whole video by closing your eyes. Why? Because you have to note down what you liked and where you think you can improve in the delivery of your talk. आपको सुनने में अच्छा लगा? आप कन्विंसिंग थे? या आप फंबल कर रहे हैं, आपका वॉइस मॉड्यूलेट नहीं हो रहा है, आप नर्वस लग रहे हैं, तो सिर्फ ऑडियो सुनना है. ओके, यू कैन टेक हेल्प ऑफ द चार्ट गिवन इन एनेक्सर 3 टू नोट डाउन योर ऑब्जर्वेशन. आप डाउनलोड कर लो या आप कहीं पे लिख लो, तो आपका वो चार्ट जो है एनेक्सर 3 में दिया हुआ है. दैट्स इन द नोट सेक्शन. नाउ द सेकेंड वे विल बी योर वीडियो मोड. अब क्या करेंगे? अब वीडियो को म्यूट कर देना है और अपने आप को वॉच करना है वीडियो में. नोट डाउन व्हाट वाज गुड इन इट एंड वेयर यू कुड बी बेटर. मतलब क्या है? आपको लग रहा है कि आप सही से खड़े थे, आप बहुत ज़्यादा आपके हैंड मूवमेंट्स कर रहे थे, या आप आईफिल टावर की तरह हिल रहे थे बहुत ज़्यादा, एंड ये सब आपको उसमें नोट डाउन करना है कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगा और क्या आपको लगा कि it's not good. So second will be your video mode. Third will be your audio and video mode. यानी कि normally आपको उसको देखना है. The last time watch the video with both audio and video and reflect on your communication skill. क्या आपका body language और जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो at par था? एक दूसरे को compliment कर रहा था? And during this process, do not compare with anyone. But yes, be your own judge as to what you liked and thought could have been better. Make a note of all your strong points as well as where improvement is required, which you think that you can improve, where you can improve. You may take help from your well-wishers, friends, parents, etc., whom you think will give you a fair feedback. Note down everything in the chart, everything, along with any feedback if you get it. You can note it down also कि किसी ने आपसे कहा कि भाई ये अच्छा होना चाहिए या वो. Note it down and keep it with you as your observation 1. You'll be doing it 2 more times. So Get going. This is a fun activity. This is self-assessment activity because it is a self-help course. This is for you to understand the transformation within you. आप पहली बार ये करेंगे, फिर दूसरी बार करेंगे, then you'll compare कि आप कितना चेंज हुए, कितना ट्रांसफॉर्म हुए. आप थर्ड टाइम तक करते जाएंगे तो आपको फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड में हेल एंड हेवन डिफरेंस दिखेगा. आई एम एक्साइटेड एंड सो शुड यू. चलो शुरू हो जाओ.